Why you should avoid driving with a cracked windshield. Vista glass. Driving with a cracked windshield is highly hazardous and can lead to severe consequences. The implications of driving with a cracked windshield are both safety-related and legal, as it puts the driver at risk for severe injury or death and potential fines from law enforcement officers. How windshield cracks affect your driving. Windshield cracks have been known to obstruct one's view of the road, significantly reducing their field of vision. The dangers of driving with a cracked windshield. Windshields are designed to provide structural support during collisions and absorb energy to reduce injury risk. How windshield cracks obstruct your vision. Windshield chips reduce visibility by creating unsightly cracks that block out portions of the panoramic view from behind the wheel. How windshield cracks expand over time. Cracked windshields are notorious for expanding over time like an ever-growing festering wound. If a crack is not repaired quickly, it can lead to costly repairs or the need for a full replacement. The risk of attempting DIY windshield crack repair. Attempting a DIY windshield crack repair is dangerous for you and other drivers on the road due to decreased visibility caused by an improperly repaired window. The necessity of regular windshield checks. It is essential to regularly inspect the windshield of a vehicle if one intends to avoid costly and dangerous scenarios. The impact of poor quality repairs. Poor quality repairs can lead to irreversible effects, and it is important for auto glass repair customers to understand the impact before making any decisions. The advantages of professional repair services. Repairs done by professionals at these facilities can be much more cost-effective than buying a whole new windshield, whereas DIY methods may end up costing even more money in the long run if not done correctly.